10,000 steps a day. Kaya ba? Sa panahon ngayon na uso ang work from home, ride-sharing at delivery ng halos lahat ng mga bagay, lalong nababawasan ang physical activities ng tao. Kaya pa bang ma-achieve ang 10,000 steps a day? Dapat ba 10,000 talaga? The idea that walking 10,000 steps should be a daily goal came from a Japanese campaign from the 1960s, according to Daniel Lieberman, a Harvard paleoanthropologist. Pero, gaano nga ba karaming steps ang usually nagagawa ng isang tao sa isang araw? Globally, the average person walks about 5,000 steps per day. Bakit importante magbilang ng steps sa bawat araw? Walking for regular activity offers the following benefits. Maintain a healthy weight and lose body fat. Prevent or manage various conditions, including heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Improve cardiovascular fitness. Strengthen your bones and muscles. Improve muscle endurance. Increase energy levels. Improve your mood, cognition, memory, and sleep. Improve your balance and coordination. Strengthen immune system. Reduce stress and tension. Here are some tips on how you can achieve the 10,000 steps a day goal. Alamin kung gaano karaming steps ang nagagawa sa isang araw gamit ang step tracking device or ang mga app sa inyong smartphone. Magdagdag ng 1,000 extra steps a day every 2 weeks. Take the stairs instead of elevators and escalators. If you have a car, park farther away. If you take the bus, get off a stop early and walk the rest of the way. Walk while waiting. Kung napaaga ka sa appointment mo or kung napaaga ka sa flight mo, imbis na umupo, maglakad-lakad. Try music. Listen to music that you enjoy. It can motivate you to walk farther and make walking enjoyable. Include your loved ones and friends. Gawin itong bonding or social activity. Walking will be more enjoyable if you are sharing it with people that you love. And always remember, with God's help, you can do it!